Hello everyone, for today's video, we will be talking about the best online bank apps. But before we begin, please do make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So our source for today's video is savethestudent.org. So these days, everything seems to appear online. Business, shopping, school, meeting, and community. And also banking. It is claimed to be the future of banking. What makes traditional banking and online banking different? Well, unlike traditional banking, online banking doesn't have any physical branches. Online banking also have access to customer support and advice through the app. Receive the physical debit card in post with code and account number. We can also set up direct debits, transfer money, and pay bills through online banking. Fees may vary for each online bank, of course. There are lots of online banking. According to Save the Student, here's the best online bank. First off, we have Revolut. It is best for its free premium card. Its overseas fees varies, and it doesn't have any in-credit interest. For Starling Bank, it is best for its everyday current account. It doesn't have any overseas fees, while its in-credit interest is at 0.05% annual equivalent rate. Now, for Crew, it is best for its in-credit interest. It also doesn't have any overseas fees, while its in-credit interest is at 4.35% annual equivalent rate. For Chase, it is best for its 1% cashback. It doesn't have any overseas fees, and its in-credit interest is at 1% and 4.1% annual equivalent rate. Now, for Monzo, it is best for its budgeting. It has a 3% over £200 via ATM overseas fee, and it doesn't have any in-credit interest. For Moniz, it is open to all. It has a 2% overseas fees, and it doesn't have any in-credit interest. And finally, for Atom Bank, it is best for its savings and mortgages. It doesn't have any overseas fees, and in-credit interest is at 3.5 to 5.90% annual equivalent rate. Each online bank sure have their own benefits. We just have to choose which one benefits us the most according to our financial plan. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this video helped you out.